afternoon and welcome to All-Star Friday here at Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Business Jet Central. We've had about every business jet you can imagine flying this afternoon. So I wanted to make sure that after work I got up here to catch some of the executive aviation action up here. Got a Learjet. Almost all of these are going to be IDK flights. I don't know. All private.
Hey, 7072 in tower, runway 248, links to 5014 for the line.
We're making everyone's goal look at the tail numbers and see where who owns these airplanes, who's on board. Still looking over by Atlantic. Look at all of the business jets. There's a Puma? Is that who that is? We got two Delta 757s over there.
Thanks, guys.
Spirit 707 inbound from Orlando.
Fly that thing, that's 775.
How cool was yesterday coming up here to see Air Force One, Marine One? How cool was that? Back up here today to get the All-Star jets. It'll be a fun weekend up here in Cleveland. It got cold though. Yesterday when I came up it was about 55 degrees. We had a cold front come through and you just feel the temperature drop throughout the afternoon. And we had quite an ice storm last night.
100, clear up approach runway 24 right.
A quarter-inch of ice. A lot of places lost power. A little bit of snow on top of that. You can see the ice on the trees in the distance.
100, Dodger.
Citation.
They told us pad 3 15 right now on pad 3 that I can count. I just don't see anyone down there yet, so I didn't know if they're coming out there to tell you where to park in pad 3. Okay, I'll give him a call. Level to the island, 4 right. 4874, Cleveland Tower, runway 24 right, where's 23.
They got PA-46 inbound from Kansas City.
Looking to push back down. We're blocking 32. Looking at the fuel gauge going in now. We should be able to get into the gate here in a second. Okay, sounds good. And if there's any delay, go ahead and just ground the call. Just let them know what's going on. I appreciate it. Copy that. We'll let them know. Thank you.
This is a Global 5000. Must be somebody on board because somebody went sprinting by me to get a picture.
Ground 45, 87 Cleveland Tower, runway 24, right wing 230, 9F clear to land number 2, following a citation 700 series on a 4-mile final line, liquidating 120 over the ground. Right, 248, clear to land, break air 45, 87. We're down to Charlie 2 to get out of the way on the ramp. Air 4835, thank you. Lima Foxtrot, give way to Gulfstream at Foxtrot. They're texting around for me.
Aviation.
Make a right-hand turn and go like
Juliet
and back on to Juliet. You can do a 360 just so you're away from Juliet 2 there. You're here at unclog Juliet 2. Yeah, then that'll allow me to get into the DI, so then you won't be in the way for no one else. Copy, yeah. You always come back to this spot once they pass? Yeah, you just do a wide right-hand turn if you can do it down there and get back on Juliet, the shorter Juliet too. Yeah, I'll see how I can.
American Eagle 4587. Republic Airways inbound from New York. JFK. John F. Kennedy International.
For 5018, the RJ gives away to you. What contact are you, Mike?
so I was a little bit nervous about the turn there. Getting in the golden hour up here. For the trees out that way.
4463 Foxtrot X-ray, runway 24 left, line of weight, tropical lead.
Now we're leaving here. These are coming in, dropping off their passengers and heading back out. Others are owned either by sponsors or maybe NBA players or celebrities parked over by the Atlantic ramp.
Go 3119, Roger. 3119, you need to contact clearance delivery. They're working on a release time for you, or if you're going to do that, let them know that.
There's a Delta 737-800 parked over there too, which are a rare sight this time of year here in Cleveland. Do see them in the summer, but I don't see very many Delta 738s up here. Pretty off stream there.
Looks pretty good for you, or do you need to just... Alright, that was 3119, wheels up time is in at 36, time off 30.
United inbound from Newark.
Yeah, 4631, did you get your new edict?
Eagle Blue 737-700.
Okay, I know, this is all up here. Okay, we're taking the edict to 2247, so it's going to be around that time. Give me 1 second. I think I might have to call for you. That's 4,000. 64 taxi with uniform. Safely with a bridge clean up. United 1662, we're to push off 18. Yeah, 1662, runway 24 left, that's Juliet.
I don't remember the last time I heard your number 3 and number 4 at the runway. Crazy.
Yeah, Juliet 3, hold short Lima, United 1662. Okay, thanks a lot.
Good job.
Let me call you back and make sure you got those vehicles, 516 Mike Charlie.
Okay, with 3705, clear departure radar, contact climb via the SID. Okay, with 3119, climb and maintain 14,000.
Climb and maintain 14,000? Yeah, with 3119.
Okay, with 3119, we're leaving 10,000, maintain 270 knots or greater.
American
and
Eagle.
5 Romeo Foxtrot, turn left heading 270, contact tower.
Another battery for my radio.
Archer Skywest 3119, that long street.
Skywest calling departure, say again.
Just that loud street. Skywest 3119.
Okay, with 3119, contact 205.1.
1351, Skywest 3119. Runway 24 right, range 210 at 9 to the land, caution lake turbulence, calling 737 off the airport. 9 transfer runway 24 left, runway 24 left to the left. Runway 24 left, cleared to land.
Here, bound from Atlanta.
Tower flight 909, descend and maintain 3000. P81, turn right, heading 150, descend and maintain 5000. At 593, turn right, heading 140. Upper Romeo, descend and maintain 7000. Flight 909, 4 miles from Shirk, cross Shirk, at about 3,000, cleared, ILS, runway 24 right approach.
Hate that when you have a good view and your feet slip on all the ice.
909, maintain 180 not towards radar until Shirk, contact tower.
United 2659. 737-900 inbound for Chicago, coming on the left side. Before left.
1 o'clock, 5 miles, Gulfstream 3000.
Good view on that.
A G400. All these airplanes are blocked, so I have no idea where they're coming from. Do some research when I get home and look at the tail numbers and figure out who might be on them. Inbound from Houston. Hopefully the weather is nice this weekend. I've been doing some flight training in the last 3 or 4 weeks. The weather has been crap. So hopefully maybe tomorrow won't be so bad. 737-900 we are.
We'll push on the Charlie 2 information. Victor. Check out 3835, moving ground marker, and DIC. Negative, Richard, 4035. That's all, 177, let me know in a few moments what it is. It's a 4835, Roger.
First break I've had. A little bit. Delta 738 pulling back from the gate. Jumped in my car to try to warm up a little bit. Yeah, these are common in the summer, but not so much in the winter up here, so probably an extra flight added by Delta for the All-Star game. Check that out.
050.
Delta 2970, we're heading over there. Oh, that breeze is cold.
8888, I'm sorry, I missed that. Did you say something about Alpha 1?
This is a long takeoff roll.
Hey, welcome.
So even United gets off the ground faster than that. Man.
Bravo 988, if you want to continue on Lima and enter via which actually where you got?
Not sure where this one is going. Heading over to customs, perhaps, or over to the other side, maybe. Not really sure. Sun on the tail.
23 November, contacting Cleveland Approach, Cleveland number 3007.
Starting to get a little dark up here, unfortunately. I know there's a US Jet MD-80 that's supposed to be coming in, but I haven't seen it take off yet. NetJet's inbound from Philadelphia. It's an Embraer Phenom. Unfortunately, this camera doesn't do the best at night. check this out. Tri-holer. Gulfstream 9, or yeah, Falcon 900.
That's speed 17, just going to maintain 3,000, turn up heading 270, and advisor. 426QS, they are going to direct you over to pad 3, if you could let tower know. Sure, just going to maintain 4,000.
United 1521 inbound from Washington Dulles IED. So we're going to be watching this weekend. We got the All-Star game for the NBA, the conclusion of the Olympics, as well as the Daytona 500. Personally, I'll probably end up watching the Olympics. All about the Olympics. And a little bit of the Daytona 500 too.
Only thing I can say for certain, we were hoping to have them here around now at the FBO, so I'm hoping it won't be more than 30 minutes or it's going to push on our crew duty day.
Copy that, then you will be coming to our ramp then.
Understood.
American 2336. This will be close. I assume the United is off the runway now. So yeah, 737-800 inbound from Dallas Fort Worth, DFW.
Copy that. Are you just dropping off?
Dropping off, yes. Yes. Okay, we're turning.
Alright, stand by.
This dispatcher over there, she's working hard.
Pad 2 or pad 3?
There's the United.
Runway 24 right.
United 2378 inbound from Newark. We got them lined up back there.
3699 to maintain present speed or greater until short contact tower. Figure 3699 clear the tower, runway 25 clear land, traffic challenges at 5 mile final, and they're indicating 50 knots slower than you.
Challenger inbound from Phoenix.
From my perspective, it appears that you should be fine there, but if you want to, someone comfortable, you can pull in and relax a little bit there. 8888, as you make the right onto Juliet 1 there, I'm going to have you hold short of kilo for now. And 2378, continue Lima kilo to the ramp now.
Frontier Flight 92. It's Mitch the Wolverine inbound from Cancun. So my wife will be in a couple weeks. This is another Falcon 900. Boys and girls, well, darkness does win the battle eventually, but I hope you all enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed all the executive jets that came in tonight, ready for the NBA All-Star game this weekend up here in Cleveland. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you really liked that video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button down below. I really do appreciate everyone's support. Feel free to comment down below as well. We're going to be back up here again this weekend for sure. Probably come up here tomorrow for a little bit, and then definitely come up here on Sunday to try to get what I would imagine would be round 2. The game is Sunday night, so I would imagine there'll be more business jets coming in on Sunday. So we'll be back up here again to catch those. and anything else that happens to come in this weekend. Hope you all enjoyed the video. We'll catch you next time up here from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Have a great night, everybody.